Good afternoon, people. With me, English with Leah. Today, we're gonna talk about connectors. There are connectors of addition, connectors of contrast, connectors of sequence, and connectors of sequence and reason. Do you know that connectors are used to join two statements or sentences together? So you use this and as well as but, however, although, before, while, since, because, as to connect two sentences together. For example, he took the books as well as the stationery. I do not like bananas and durians. He eats well, but he doesn't look healthy. He is tall, however, his sister is taller. Although he was early, he didn't manage to get the free ticket. Jadi connectors adalah kata penghubung yang menghubungkan dua kalimat menjadi satu, seperti dan, tetapi, akan tetapi, sejak, karena. So that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.